In this video, I will show you how to remove Google account from your Android phone. So let's begin. First of all, you just need to open your phone settings. So here you can see I just opened my phone settings and scroll down and find out Google. So here you can see, simply select it. Right now, tap over your Gmail account and right now select manage accounts on this device. And right now here you can find some options. You just need to select Google. So I simply select Google. And who is Google account you just want to remove or delete, you just need to select it. So I select, and right now on the bottom there have an option more. Simply select it, and then you can find the option remove account. Simply select remove account and confirm it. So that's it, guys. Here you can see this Google account already removed or deleted from my Android phone. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.